Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Passat. In this video I'll show you how to start and stop the car. Volkswagen Passat B8 is equipped with the start-stop system in some trims. To start the car with the start-stop system, press brake, make sure that the key fob is inside the car and press start-stop button. Now, if you want to stop the car, simply press start-stop button. To start driving, press brake and push the SG gearbox downwards to D. While in D, you can also enable sport mode and change gears manually. If you want to stop, always make sure that the gearbox shifter is in park mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.